Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the question, will I earn interest in Robinhood? So this video is going to be useful for individuals. Let's say that you're new to Robinhood, and if you haven't signed up for Robinhood yet, you can use my link down below in order to get a stock worth at least $5. But the question basically sums down to, you won't earn interest on money in your Robinhood spending account. So for example, my spending account here is the $105 with buying power. You won't earn interest on your buying power or the stocks that you invested in. However, if you have a Robinhood investing account, you can start a brokerage in there, in which point you may be able to earn interest in the Robinhood investment account. But that'll be a different video that I go ahead and explain that. But to simply put, most people who are just signing up for Robinhood will not earn interest in their account. So with that being said, guys, I hope you found this video helpful, everyone. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.